everybody, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new to my channel. Hello, I'm so happy you are here, and today's video is gonna be a really yummy type of video. I'm so happy to make this delicious, yummiest soup that you guys will ever have in your life. If you guys are a big fan of Olive Garden, I love Olive Garden, but I only like certain things, and the one thing that I love so much is their soup, the Zuppa Toscana. I think I'm saying it right. I'm probably saying it wrong, but I absolutely love that soup. And it's a chilly night tonight. As you could tell, I have my hoodie on, pretty much ready to go to bed, but I decided to make this for our dinner tonight, and I want you guys to come along with me, and you guys are gonna love how easy and simple this is. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, yes, a big thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. Yes, let me know if you made this soup, because this is so good, and I'm so excited to make it and eat it. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys each step of the way. Let's get this started. Okay, so here are the items that you are gonna be needing for this recipe. They usually ask for spicy sausage, but sometimes a little too spicy, so I like getting the Jimmy Dean regular sausage. But then just to give it a kick, I add a little bit of the, sorry, I'm trying to zoom in here for you guys, a little bit of the crushed red pepper, so I add that. You're also gonna need some heavy whipped cream, whipping cream, not whipped cream. You're gonna need a bag of kale. You're gonna need bacon bits, or you could also do your own bacon, but this is so much easier and I love it. You're gonna need 1 medium onion. You're gonna need some garlic. I'm just gonna go the easy route, which is just the, you know, in here. You're gonna need some chicken broth. And then usually it's like 4 to 5 regular sized potatoes, but I got these little ones to make something else, so I'm gonna just use these. So I'm assuming, you know, these should be enough, but usually 4 to 5 regular sized potatoes should be good. So here it is, and I'm gonna show you each step of the way. Let's go. Okay, so what we are going to do first, we are going to start by cooking our sausage. Make sure everything is perfectly done. I love using my little chopper thing here just to spread them out, very thin little pieces. And then we are going just to cut all of our potatoes that we have very thin, not too thick, slices. And then just chop off all your onions. Make it not too thin but not too thick either, just like a good size. Okay, so what we are going to put in first is our potatoes that we cut. So we're going to put everything in here, and I did cut about like 10 little ones, so I'm just separating them a little better. Okay, so we got that. Now we're gonna put in our onions that we chopped. Put in our onions. And then we're going to put in our sausage. All our sausage. Okay, and then after that, we are going to put in our garlic. We are going to put about like 2 teaspoons of it. You know, it doesn't really matter. It's totally up to you. I am not gonna put salt or pepper because I feel like it already has a lot of seasoning. I am gonna put this bag is 3 ounces, so I'm gonna put the whole bag. And not that. Okay. And then we are going to put our pepper. I'm just gonna eyeball it like a tablespoon, just to give that spice. A little bit of the spice. Okay, we got everything, and then we are going to do our chicken broth, which is 32 ounces. We are going to do the whole thing. Okay, and we are going to mix. Oh, it smells already good already. We are going to mix and make sure everything is touched by the chicken broth so it could be nice and yummy and cooked. So make sure everything is in here. You can hear the boys, they're excited, even though they're not gonna eat this. So just like that, it is perfect. We are not gonna put our creamer or our kale yet. We are going to wait. I am going to close this, and I'm gonna bring you guys in a different shot so you guys can see. We have it on high. We are gonna do 4 hours, and then the last half hour we're gonna come here and we're gonna put the kale in the heavy cream, and it's gonna start. Let's go. Okay, so right now we are about 32 minutes in till it's done. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna open this up, and I got 2 cups of kale right here. It looks super buffy right now, but don't worry, it's gonna wilt down. It's gonna look amazing. So what we are going to do, you're gonna get your heavy cream, and then your measuring cup. We're gonna do 1 cup of heavy cream. Okay, so I'm just gonna measure this right there. So 1 cup of heavy cream we're gonna pour right here. This is gonna make super creamy, super amazing. So we got 1 cup of that, and then 2 cups, about 2 cups of kale. We're just gonna put it in there. I'm so excited. I'm actually gonna and I'm just gonna take this out. And then we're gonna get our spoon, and then we are going to, oh my gosh, this looks so delicious. And then we're just gonna bring this down, and we are going to wait another half hour, and then our awesome soup will be done. Let it be here. And then if you need salt and pepper, you're more than welcome to add that. but I think it should be okay without it. So here it is. Let's just wait another half hour. Right now we got another 29 minutes. You guys could see it right there, 29 minutes, and this will be done. Okay, you guys, it's been 4 hours. You heard these? Yes! I'm so excited. So I'm gonna open this up. It looks so delicious. You guys have to see this close. Look at this, you guys. This is heaven. So I'm gonna pour on my plate and show you guys the results. Yum, 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 yum. Alright, guys, I'm gonna add some parsley on top. And we are going to add some Parmesan cheese. This is so good. This is so amazing. Here it is, y'all. Alright, loves, here is our dinner for tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super easy and super fun to make, and I absolutely adore making this yummy recipe. If you guys have any other suggestions you guys want me to make, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I truly appreciate your love and support. To the next one. Bye.